we'll be creating a new calculator project. So I will just name it calculator. Just double check. I want it to be within the right place. And portfolio folder. And we will create it. Now within the SRC, we will create a new package and name it count for company.lset, that being the company's name, within which we will create a calculators class, and class name should begin with capital letter, so that's why we started with capital C, calculator. So now within the package, we've got a calculator class, and then I will be writing a main method, public static void, which is the return type, and main. So that's the method which gets executed. Now, first I will create a separate addition method, which will have a return type of int, as it will be returning a total added number. Addition method. So we name the method camel case, and I will just define two numbers. Now return type is int, so a number has to be returned, and in here we will just write the parameters that we defined in the method. So return a plus b. Now the total number we want to save as a variable, so total added number equals, and then we will call the addition method and define the numbers that we want to add and close the bracket. Now we want to print the number, the total added number, so we will just add a print statement, and it will have total added number equals, and concat and call the variable. And now we will just run to see it being printed correctly. So here we can see total added number equals 30. Similarly, I will be creating a subtraction method, so it will also be return type subtraction, integer. So subtraction method int a, int b, return a minus b space. So now within the main method, so that it gets executed, I will be writing total subtracted number equals, call the method, define the numbers, and then print the numbers, total subtracted number, so that we know that this total came from carrying out the subtraction method. And then we can just print from here, and we can see total subtracted number equals 20, just add a space to keep it concise. And now I will be creating a multiplication method, so multiplying two numbers this time, int a, int b. So the purpose of int a and int b, we're not defining the numbers, so that we can call this method and the numbers could be any method regardless of the numbers, and we just have to amend them within the main method. So this is the multiplication method, so int total multiplied number equals multiplication method, and I will just keep the same numbers. Then again we want to print total multiplied number equals, and concat with the variable and print. So here we can see total multiplied number equals 125. And lastly, I will just quickly create a division method, and again dividing two numbers, so I will just add them here, and A, B, int total and keep the same numbers and print total divided number, and print again. We can see that the total divided number equals 5. Now if I wanted to amend any numbers, then I can just amend them here, run the code, and it will be